Netflix stuck on the loading screen and not opening or playing can be frustrating. In this video, I will show you simple and effective fixes to solve the Netflix loading screen issue. These steps work on most smart TVs and streaming devices and can be done easily at home. Let's start by restarting the TV or the device you're using. Turn it off completely, unplug it from the power, and wait for about 60 seconds. This short wait helps clear temporary issues. After that, plug it back in, turn the TV on, and then open Netflix again to see if it loads properly. Next, we'll force stop the Netflix app. Go into the settings on your TV, open the apps section, and find Netflix from the list. Open it and select Force Stop or Close App. This fully stops Netflix from running in the background and can fix the loading screen problem. Now let's clear the Netflix cache. Go back to Settings, open Apps, and select Netflix again. Here, choose the Clear Cache option. Once the cache is cleared, open Netflix and check if the app starts working normally. After that, it's important to check if your TV software is up to date. Open Settings, go to Support or Software Update, and look for any available updates. If an update is available, install it and wait for the TV to restart, then try opening Netflix again. Another thing you should try is signing out of Netflix and signing back in. Open the Netflix app, go to Get Help or Settings, and select Sign Out. Once you're logged out, sign back into your account and see if the loading screen issue is gone. If Netflix is still stuck, reinstalling the app can help. Go to the Apps section on your TV, select Netflix, and uninstall it. After it's removed, download and install Netflix again, then open the app and check if it works. Finally, check your internet connection. Make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi and open another app to confirm the internet is working. If the connection seems off, restart your router and then try Netflix again. That's it for this video on fixing the Netflix stuck on loading screen issue. I hope these easy steps helped you get Netflix working again on your TV or device. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. If the problem is still there or one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.